Hey friends, welcome back. I'm really excited to show you a simple but super useful voltage regulator circuit today. The output voltage can be varied by adjusting the potentiometer connected to the middle pin of the 7805 regulator. This allows you to change the output from approximately 5 volts to almost the input voltage minus 1 volt. The output cannot go below 5 volts because the 7805 has a fixed internal reference voltage. The maximum output is about 1 volt less than the input due to the dropout voltage of the regulator. The maximum current for the 7805 is typically 1 to 1.5 amps with proper heat sinking. Exceeding this will overheat the regulator. Connecting a 6-volt DC motor as a load demonstrates the adjustable output. At 5 volts, the motor runs smoothly. Connecting full 26-volt input directly can cause the motor to jump, which is unsafe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.